me, Rosie Maria Gaming. And King Tut Jr. 320. Say hi. We call him King and we call her Joe. And we call me Rosie. Make sure to join the Rosie squad today. I mean group today. Oh, I died. Stop screaming. My ears, please. Join the Rosie group today. We are trying to get new members, and I give away free Robux. And make sure to use star code Rosie ROSY. Yes, it's not ROSE. It's ROSY. Call me Rosie. We are both at pink. She's over there.
You can see me because I'm up.
Don't say that. She just doesn't have Robux. I'm gonna give her some though. So nice. You should always be nice to your siblings, guys. Or if you don't have siblings, just be nice to others. Like your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, anyone. Just be nice. That's all you gotta do. Just make their day. Quiet, don't scream, guys. Don't get mad. Okay, I'm on pink, guys. Let's try to get the purple. Wait, no, let's try to get the gray. That's a good color. Ooh, almost fell off the edge. Okay, there we go. Stop. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I went back. That sucks. Oh, I did it, guys. Ooh, when this round is over in 4 minutes, I will end it, the video. But guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more videos.
Yup.
And join the Rosie squad today.
Yep. And subscribe and click that like button.
I already said that.
And what's the best one? Baba!
We call him Baba because it's like a cute boy name. Yeah, oh my gosh, guys, stop! Guys, stop! Really? Don't mind him. Well, I promised you guys we will do Arsenal video. Well, guess what? The next video we will be doing Arsenal. Tomorrow. We have school tomorrow though. So we'll have to do it after school. So we might post later, like in the night. Tomorrow's not half day, Jonana. Jonana.
You call me that day, you get killed.
Oh.
You too, Mama.
Stop! Stop it, you two! Stop fighting, you two!
You too.
Stop! Stop, you guys! Stop!
Are you getting out of the video?
Or you're getting out of here.
No, you'll get.
Now you're gonna get out of my room.
It's my channel.
No, this is my channel.
It's my
You are not recording on my Rosie Maria Gaming channel. I am going to be updating my profile too. And guys, use star code Rosie for when getting Robux. Thanks. Whoa. Okay, so it looks like we're in the new update. Rat Sewer. Ew. I'm getting around here. And King Tut is a boy. Stop it, you guys! Stop! This is supposed to be a family-friendly video. So bad, stop. Stop. Stop yelling! Get out. Sorry. She's so annoying! Really? This is my content. Do you even know what a YouTuber is? Exactly. And I do because I am one. Rebecca? I kind of like her, I guess. About what? I kind of like her channel. Why? Why are you telling on her? I just said I like her channel.
Well, I like her channel. I subscribe and like her channel.
Okay, I'll subscribe too. No big deal.
No!
No! Ah! King Tut! Arr! Okay, guys, that's enough. I'm just being quiet to wait for them to stop yelling. But guys, later tomorrow in the afternoon, we will be doing our snow video. And Jonana might not because she has a bunch of homework. Yeah. Maybe we should play with Lincoln Manley.
Oh yeah,
What's that?
that's our mom.
Yeah, that's our mom.
Don't give us one play. I'm going what? I'm going 911.
No.
It's our mom's.
Username for Roblox.
Yeah, and she has blonde hair. She has blonde hair now. And me and Rosie Jamie.
They call me Mac, like mac and cheese, because I like mac and cheese. Or Mac for short for mac and cheese. Well, guys, let's end the video here. Yep. Well, guys. Bye.
No.
No, let's say goodbye. It's been 7 minutes. Come on. Well, let's do it together, guys. Well, guys, goodbye. Subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications for more. Okay, stop. That's enough.